Hello everyone, how are you? I hope we are all healthy and happy. Today I will present my PPT, but before that allow me to introduce myself. My name is Igede Wahyu Krishna Aditya from 3th class. Well, my material this time is the effect of teacher-student and student-student relationship on the societal involvement of students by Frank Heike, Wanders, and Bert Dijkstra, Ralph Maslowski, and Ineke van der Ven. The topic of this article is to examine the relationship between teacher and student and between student and community involvement in that secondary school. By studying the role of parents on adolescent social engagement and the extent to which positive teacher-student and student relationship reduce different in the community involvement due to different environmental backgrounds. The underlying idea is this will improve the student civic abilities to the development of knowledge and skill necessary to actively participate in society. By cultivating positive citizenship attitude, students are expected to become interested in order and willing to help them, to participate in a volunteer work, and to be active in the society. In other words, schools are expected to promote citizenship to strengthening their student involvement in society. Theoretical framework. Adolescents can improve their civic competence through interaction with others, through participation and involvement in different social and cultural practices in their daily lives. Research shows that in particular and often classroom climates, where students have the opportunity to voice their opinion and be taken seriously, contribute to their engagement in the classroom by creating an open classroom climates where social issues can be discussed freely from multiple angles and students can contribute. Teachers can encourage their student willingness, ability, and involvement. By discussing social and societal issues with others, by reflecting on their own opinion and by learning to respond to the opinion of others. Students practice and experience what it means to be a citizen. Thus, it is assumed that students with a positive relationship with a fellow student are more likely to participate in a discussion and a dialogue in class, which encourages opportunities to promote engagement in the social issues. Method. To examine the effect of classroom climates on student social engagement, the study used data from students in school for secondary education in the Netherlands. This choice was inspired by the availability of this data, which is well suited to answer the question that is the focus of this study. This means that if this relationship exists, they must be visible in the data collected about students in order to collect data about the student academic development and the factor influencing current development. The subject and object. To estimate this cross-sectional multi-level analysis, we use a combination of risk data set from the Netherlands, which included 4,128 15 years old students in a 58 school. This study focused on the contribution of teacher-student and student-student relationship to student social engagement. We will also investigate whether these contributions are the same for all students or whether students from different socio-economic groups benefit differently. Viewed from this perspective, school and classroom are small communities where students can learn to engage in the social practice and strengthen community engagement. For example, by practicing the necessary skill. Data analysis. A stepwise multi-level analysis was used to examine the effect of school and student background variables on the student social engagement at the student and school level. 5 separate models are estimated step by step in which the variables are added in each successive model. 1. Gender, boy, girls. Ethnicity, native, non-natives. And self-efficacy as a personal factor were added as counterfactors. 2. Parental factors income, occupational status, parental education, and parenting style were added. 3. To examine the association between an open climate and social involvement, teacher-student and student-student relationship were added to this model. 4. To integration effect of parental education and student-student and student and teacher-student relationship were estimated. 5. To examine and account for possible difference between school, the student-student and teacher-student relationship were aggregated at school level, and school denomination and urbanization were added to analysis to control for school differences. Results. In general, students from more educated parents are more involved in society than those from less educated parents. In addition, students with high-income parents are more involved in society than students with low-income parents, and girls were, on average, more engaged than boys, and non-native students were more engaged than native Dutch students. So, these findings suggest that students who are more confident about their level of competence are also more involved in society than their less competent peers. This finding also showed that students in schools located in densely populated and urban areas on average more involved in the community than schools in less dense areas. So, that's all an explanation of my material this time. Sorry if there are many mistakes in the video. I hope that in the future it can be better. So, have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye.